Welcome to the How To Studio. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Chrome. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open any browser that you have. Right now, I do have Microsoft Edge. So just open that browser, and then in the search, you're going to go to google.com/Chrome. And then here you can actually download Chrome. So you're going to see that it's being downloaded here. And once it's done downloaded, you're just going to click on it. And then you're going to click yes for the pop-up that shows there. And then you see that it's starting to download. Okay, so now it's downloaded and it's being installed. So it's just going to take a few minutes to install. Okay, now it's done installing, and you can see that the Chrome browser has popped up on your screen right here. Then you can click on it, and then you can choose to sign in or not sign in, and then you can choose whether you want to set it as your default browser. I'm going to set it as my default browser, and there you have it. Google Chrome has been installed on your computer. And you can always pin this to your taskbar by right-clicking and then click Pin to Taskbar. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please just give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.